Hello everyone, my name is Legend and welcome to a bit of a channel update. Today I thought I'd do a channel update because, well, my channel is over a year old now and I figure something like that is long overdue. Well, today we're going to talk about a few things. First of all, thank you guys for so much support over the last year. Almost 300 subscribers. You guys are amazing, especially in the last few months. I've gone from 17 subscribers to almost 300 now, so thank you guys so much for the support, and it seems like the channel is growing faster and faster every day, so that's amazing. Now, anyways, let's start off with, well, the main reason I made this video. As you've probably seen if you've looked at any of my videos, I've done quite a few different topics on YouTube. I've done add-on videos, texture pack videos, command block videos, more recently building videos, and, well, the truth is, I'm not sure why you guys are actually subscribed. Yeah, that sounds kind of funny, but I honestly don't know what kind of videos to make, what's going to appease my audience, my subscription audience, because I'm starting to look at more of what my subscribers want rather than what YouTube wants. Well, what people on YouTube wants, because yeah, it's starting to grow a pretty big community, and thank you guys for all the support once again. But in the description below, I have dropped a Google form. This is a 3-question Google form, really simple, take you under a minute to answer, and this will help shape the future of my channel. The 3 questions on this form are pretty simple. So first of all, why are you subscribed? I want to know why you're subscribed, what videos that you watched, what topic on my channel that led you to subscribe. It can be multiple things, you can check multiple things. The next thing is, what do you want to see on my channel? This might be the same, you might want to see something else, like building tutorials or anything like that, but you can let me know right there. And the final thing is, let's play. Yes or no? I've been playing around with the idea of a let's play for basically the whole time I've had the channel. I even started one, but I didn't end up liking it, and after 2 episodes, I discontinued it. And anyways, I want to know if you guys think it is the right time for a let's play. Let me know in that Google form, and obviously if you have any ideas for videos, anything you want me to do videos on, just let me know in the comments below. I'll be sure to do that. And anyways, thank you all for watching. Thanks for all the support, and hopefully we can do more channel updates like this. Anyways, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys!